Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about another very interesting micro niche. Not many people, general blogger will have much idea about this particular micro niche, but that's why there is a huge potential and also opportunity. That's why I call it as a ultra micro niche actually. So let's get into the details. The micro niche that I'm going to talk about is bird feeder. We just look into the details of this particular keyword. You can see that straight away it's about a 28K search volume, and it says 39 is not so high for the just the two-word keyword. So that means if you explore, you should be able to get much more. So let's do our five-factor validation for this one also. First one, what we look for is difficulty, or we look for competition. That's the first parameter that we validate. So let's check it out, all the keywords associated with that, all the keyword ideas. And what I normally advise is check out the keywords with the difficulty less than 20. So the KD, this particular label stands for keyword difficulty. Lesser is always better. For a new starter, I always advise go for the keywords that have difficulty less than or equal to 20. Just apply that filter and let's look at how many keywords will appear. You can see about 4000 plus keywords are there. That means there are more than enough number of keywords with low difficulty competition. Second attribute what we look for is search traffic. So what we also want to check is, yes, there are enough number of keywords with but do we have do those does those keywords have enough search volumes? If you look at here, there is another label, something called volume stands for number of times this particular keywords has been searched online on an average per month. For example, if you take a bird feeder poll, it's been searched about a 9,000 times on an average per month. That's what it indicates. So it looks good, not exceptionally high, but not bad also. It's all even. First entire the panel itself is having the keywords is more than 1,000 monthly keywords, and look at the difficulty is so low, so looks attractive. So the second validation is also true. The third validation what we look for is the scope for content. So what it means is, I always suggest pick up a micro niche that has the potential to write at least about 100 articles. So when you are trying to write the articles, initial articles, you should always look for the low competition. That means you already filtered out the certain keywords with the difficulty less than 20. But some of these keywords may not have even such volume of 10, 20. So I always advise also pick up the keywords not only having low competition but also good search volume. Typically I advise about a 500 as the search volume, but being a very ultra micro niche, you can actually go for about a 300 search traffic per month. So let's look at this combination. Let's now see about, you have 188 keywords. That means there are 188 keywords with a difficulty less than 20 and monthly search traffic more than 300 per month. So that looks attractive. Even if some of the redundant topics and all goes off, right, still you will be able to easily get about 100 plus topics, and you don't find much of redundant topic. If you see here, more or less all the topics are looking unique. If even if you take some assumption that there will be some redundant and irrelevant, so still about 100 plus topics easily you should be able to get. So once you start writing for these kind of topics, what happens is you will be able to discover a lot more topics that are not there in this tool. And this happens with animals, with happens with pets, the birds. For some of these kind of micro niche areas, typically when you continue your journey, you will be able to discover a lot of new topics as well. Otherwise also, straight away with this validation itself, it is showing you 188. So that means even if you take out some of the keywords, you should be able to easily find about 100 plus topics. So the third validation is also true. Now let's look at the fourth validation. Fourth validation is basically reference site, what we want to check it out. So what it means is, I always advise check if there is any relatively new or non-established site that is performing well for this particular micro niche. Then only go for it. Don't compare with the sites like highly established, like branded sites, then that's not a perfect comparison when you are starting new site. But look for the brand relatively new or relatively non-established yet. So I did some analysis. Finally, I've discovered one website. Let's look into the details. The site is birdfeederhub.com. Let's look at the data points related to this. Let me key in this particular domain and check out the details. So there is one attribute I specifically look for is a DR. DR stands for domain rating. So if the site is well established and branded site, DR will be very high. For example, facebook.com, google.com, your Twitter, or news channels like CNN, all these websites will have a DR of more than 90 or near 100. But if you are starting a brand new site tomorrow, you will have about a zero. You will start with zero, even otherwise there won't be any DR at all. After some days, few days only, we will even gain the DR of zero. So we considering that situation, you should always look for a low DR site still ranking well for this particular micro niche. That's the confidence, or that proves that even if you are starting a new site today for this particular micro niche, you can still rank well if you can produce quality content. That's what it conveys. Now look at the kind of number of organic keywords for which this particular website is ranking for. So second label attribute is organic keywords. Organic keywords means for number of different search terms for which this particular website is appearing in search engines organically. Okay, and in a month, how many visitors this particular website is attracting is about 11,000 plus. This is what organic traffic is all about. So these two looks attractive. So with the domain rating of just 7, so with the combination of these three sites, I can say that there is a proof that this particular micro works well if you can start publishing good quality content. So fourth validation is also true. So fifth one, what we look for earning potential. At the end of day, we create these websites to earn some money. So there are typically two ways that I look for the earning potential. One is I look for the CPC. CPC stands for cost per click. Higher is always better. I do a combination of volume with CPC and check out how is the earning potential. 17K with about $1. Okay, not so exceptionally high, but okay kind of thing. But the other significant way of validating that is how is the earning potential of the reference website we just looked at. So if you go back to the data that we just analyzed, there is one more label here, traffic value. Traffic value is nothing but the estimated money this particular website can generate per month on an average if you properly monetize, right? That if you properly monetize this particular website through all the possible sources, this particular website has a potential to earn about a 7.9k US dollars per month. So that's a good money. So I always advise to take a very conservative approach. So take about only 10% of what this particular website is earning. Even if you take a 10% of it, it comes about a 790 US dollar, about $800. That's a attractive money, decent earning, if not too high. For a new blogger, new website, I think this looks attractive. Other very important thing that really made me attracted towards this particular website is so look at the kind of the aging and all those things. The other the LinkedIn profile and all that is not looking so strong. It is still basically relatively looks to be very much achievable for any of the new blogger. So let's not get into those details. So stick to our typical the approach that we follow. So we verified all the details, like we checked the competition, that there are more than enough keywords with difficulty less than 20. There are enough keywords with the combination of both low difficulty and good search volume. We also verified that there is a reference site that is ranking pretty well for just a DR of 7, and earning potential looks to be attractive. Perfect micro niche. And this particular this kind of micro niche attracts give you a lot of money through display ads rather than affiliate ads. It will actually balance out in that way. These kind of micro niches um, will mitigate the risk of getting impacted through any of the commission changes and all those things, also through from the any of the affiliates. So if you have any interest towards writing something about the typical nature, birds, animals, and all those things, this perfect one. Go ahead and pick it up and start producing quality content. I'm sure, and you will be able to see some success very soon. So that's all for today. Hope you like the content and video. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.